In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 of the best medical carrier driver websites in the land. Yes guys, 4 of the best medical carrier websites out here, and I did say websites. These are not gig apps guys, and these are not load boards. They are websites that you can use on your phone or on your computer. If you stick around to the end of this video, you will learn 4 of the best websites and how to use them and how to properly get set up and what are the pros and cons of each website. But with all that being said, man, let's get straight to this video. We're not going to do any intro. We're just going to go ahead and go to the first website, which would be called Priority Dispatch. Now with Priority Dispatch, all you have to do is go to current opportunities. And now Priority Dispatch does not offer their services in every single state in the United States. There are a select few amount of states that you can choose from, so be sure to make sure that you are available to do work with Priority Dispatch depending on what state you're in. We are on the desktop right here, and these are the locations that you can see. These are the locations right here of the states that they do offer. And all you have to do to get started with Priority is go to careers, guys. You want to go to careers. You want to go to independent contractor opportunities or employment opportunities. But we are owner operators over here, so we're going to go to current opportunities under the independent contractor. And as you can see, guys, these are all of the cities and states that they do offer the current positions in, and it's not a lot. So guys, do your due diligence and make sure that you are able to drive with Priority carriers depending on what state you're in. With Priority Dispatch, guys, you do have to have a cargo van or even a sedan, any vehicle that doesn't require that much gas. Yes guys, you can drive your Nissan Altima to work as an independent contractor with Priority Dispatch, as well as this next website that I'm going to be going over with you guys. But before I get into my next website, guys, please go ahead and feel free to check out the links in the description. We have all types of courses, we have all types of education in the links. We have the Lotta ebook store where you can get cheap ebooks for only $5. We also have the Patreon where there are credit hacks, how to boost your credit fast, how to make money in crypto, how to build your trucking business, how to start an online business, and even how to market your social media or your online business. Guys, we got some new things over in the links in the description. We do have courses and extra guides on how to make money in crypto, how to boost your platforms, how to boost your followers, and even how to be a successful entrepreneur. Don't forget that we do offer coaching calls for only $10. You can schedule a 10 to 30 minute conversation and the Calendly link in the description. We are up in full service, so go ahead and check out the Calendly link and schedule a call with me, and I will answer any of your questions about starting a business, hopping into this transportation business, or even just how it goes on the journey of starting up a transportation and what it's like in this transportation business. But now back to the video. Woo! So the second website that I want to go over with you guys today is called Diligent USA. Now Diligent USA offers their services all around the United States, as you can see in the name. And a good thing about Diligent USA is that they're not only brokers and they're not only companies getting loads and medical supplies moved, but it's also personal customers as well. So it could be anybody just like yourself at their home that needs supplies moved. And with Diligent USA, you can make some good money with that, and it's more opportunities on there because of the fact that regular civilians can post loads on there that needs to be moved. So to get started with Diligent USA, all you have to do is go here to careers, guys. Once you press careers, you want to go to employment opportunities. And guys, as you can see right here, you can apply online. You see the states and the cities that they are offering, and also right here you can have a drive for Diligent, the independent contractor, the owner operators, because that's who we are. We are owner operators and we drive our own vehicle. And with Diligent, guys, you can drive any sedan as well, cargo van, pickup truck, box truck. Guys, they even accept box truck on Diligent USA because it's a bigger load board, should I say, but it's a bigger website with a lot more people needing things moved. As you can see right here, guys, they have a $300 sign-on bonus, which I think is pretty good. The driver requirements is only a reliable vehicle, good driver knowledge, a GPS, which is just a smartphone, and guys, a 3-year motor vehicle report, guys. So pretty much no accidents in the last 3 years, and you must be over 21 years old. So just check out Diligent USA today you might want to get yourself started. And as you can see right here, these are the vehicles that you can use. You have the fuel efficient cars, pickup trucks, cargo vans, box truck, flatbeds, stake beds, trailers, goosenecks, and tractor trailer combinations. So whatever you drive, if you want to make some extra cash, go hop on Diligent USA. And the third website I want to go over with you guys, and it might be one of my personal favorites, and I actually tried this one myself. It's called Associated Carriers. Now, Associated Carriers does offer their services all throughout the United States as well, and I like this website because it does allow you to work with your cargo van or your Nissan Altima. But mind you guys, if you do drive a sedan, if you do drive a 4-door and it's like a Charger or something, you know, that takes a lot of gas, it's a heavier 4-door car, probably a newer Impala, you know, they take a little bit more gas than, you know, a Prius or a Nissan Versa. I do recommend that you guys probably try to limit yourself on these loads, because some of these loads won't pay out for your gas mileage to mile ratio on your load, guys. So they might pay $1 per mile for a trip or two for one day, but then the next day they're probably paying $2 a mile. So my advice to you guys is to scan these websites, make sure you're getting the best loads. You probably don't want to take a load every day, because will it be worth it to drive 50 miles for only $50 and you have to put $25 in your gas tank, so you just made $25 for the day? That's what you got to think about when you're trying to hop into this transportation industry. But this issue is mainly for sedans, guys. If you're in a box truck, if you're in a cargo van, if you're in any other exotic vehicle, of course it's gonna pay for your time, for your weight, for your money, man. But with Associated Carriers, as you can see right here, pretty self-explanatory. They do a lot of medical supplies. This is mostly medical supplies, and as you can see, pharmaceutical, you know, you'll have trials, all that different type of stuff. You can even get daily dedicated routes. So this is perfect for people that's just starting up their cargo van business or just need some side cash. But guys, if you are trying to get a daily dedicated route, that means you're pretty much going to be working on a schedule, so you're not going to have time to pick up loads from elsewhere or do other things in your day besides when your shift is over. Another thing about Associated Carriers is they have on-demand shipments. As you can see, they have these on-demand shipments, meaning that these loads need to be moved within the same day, guys. These loads need to be going fast, and this is a great opportunity for you guys to start making money every day, because pretty much every day on this website there are loads, there are shipments that need to get out on the next day. As you can see, they have dedicated routes. They have direct to patient, which is pretty much going from directly from the store directly to the patient. So those pay a little bit more as well. And then they have next flight out, air charter, onboard carrier, warehousing, chain of custody / identity, and all of that stuff. Their website is pretty straightforward as well. It's pretty easy to navigate, and all you have to do is just sign up, and guys, you can start moving loads within the next 2 to 3 days after you get your information approved and verified. And for the final website I want to go over with you guys today is called CB Driver. Now, I have did videos in the past about CB Driver, and this is actually kind of similar to a load board such as DAT. If you don't know what DAT is, datloadboard.com is actually one of the most popular load boards out. So if you are new in this transportation business, you're welcome. There goes some free game right there. Go ahead and hop on Dat Load Board and start getting used to box truck loads or even semi-truck loads on the Dat Load Board. Cargo van, not that much popular on DAT, but you can find it depending on what city you're in. But CB Driver, guys, as you can see right here, you can just enter your state, you can enter your city, and we're gonna enter Jacksonville. Now, I know Jacksonville doesn't have a very good market, but we're just gonna go ahead and see if we can find something in our area, and let's just see what pops up. And as you can see right here, we have 10 results, and they're all in, you know, within 10 miles, 11 miles, and then we got some kind of far away, but they're independent contractor opportunities. They're not employee opportunities. And with CB Driver, you can obviously and easily get these independent contracts and get dedicated lanes just like that, even within your first day of working with your contractor, and you can start making good money off of CB Driver. Now they also, like I said, it's like a load board, so they also do provide individual loads that you can bid on and that you can gamble for through the load board website itself. You can even advertise your business and grow, guys. You can create your own professional driver profile so you can look the most professional you can, so that these contractors will accept you and make you their dedicated driver. This load board is absolutely free, guys. You can post unlimited driver ads and easy to respond. You can get emails when driver jobs are available. And like I said, guys, one click to respond, and that's pretty much straightforward with CB Driver. Very easy platform. You can bid on loads or even get independent contractor dedicated lanes. That is it for the load boards on this video, guys. But if you do have further questions and you want to know more on how to start your transportation business, I do have step-by-step tutorial videos teaching you exactly what you need to start your business. But I'm gonna give you a quick little free sauce right here. If you are starting from scratch and you need to know how to start getting these loads, if you want to get in the cargo van industry and you want to know how to start getting a cargo van or what is the first steps, what you're gonna need right here right now, guys, is commercial insurance from either a non-VIN Pacific. You can go online, type in non-VIN Pacific insurance policies, find a non-VIN Pacific, meaning that your insurance policy isn't on a dedicated vehicle, or you can go through a cheap insurance company. Progressive, you might think it's expensive, but they're actually on the cheaper side, especially if you have accidents on your record. They will give you a cheaper quote for commercial insurance. And after you have this commercial insurance, after you have your cargo van, and if you don't know where to get a cargo van from, the best place I can advise you is Facebook Marketplace, guys. You can get a cargo van for half off. You can get an older cargo van that'll do the job just as fine as a newer one will. And guys, you can get a cargo van for $6,000. Now you have a cargo van, now you have insurance. You can easily hop on these 4 sites I just told you, or you can either hop on these load boards such as dat.com, 123 load board, Courier Driver, and even apps like GoShare accept all types of vehicles as well. But yes, guys, feel free to go through my channel, browse all of the transportation videos that I have, because I do make a lot of content every day. This is Black Investors Group, where we do make investing easy. I do have transportation videos that will let you know everything you need to know, pros and cons of the business, what it's like inside the business, and how to get started with the business and how much you're going to be spending. So guys, that's a lot of good valuable information, especially if you're not yet inside the business. You don't want to get into this business and lose a lot of money because it's not what you thought. If you're thinking you're going to make $1,000 a day, that might not be the case. Some days you might not even make $200. So just do your due diligence, man. And also, guys, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the Patreon and the link in the description, where you can get all types of lessons, all types of courses for a monthly membership fee of only $6. And if you still have further questions, man, we do accept coaching calls in the Calendly link in the description. Let's make this money the easy way. Until tomorrow, this is Black Investors Group. We out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I broke before, got me stuck in